is fake. No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
You don't smell a burp in a fucking VR game, do you?
You don't smell burps in general.
This guy's fucking dumb.
Are you stupid? You don't smell burps. You smell burps. Is that what you're saying? You smell burps.
No, that is the reason to cover your burp while you are at a dinner table.
I want to hear you say it. I want to hear you say you smell burps. Say it.
Yes, you can smell a burp.
No, no, I want to hear you say you smell burps.
I smell burps.
Hey,
do you not have a nose? Do you not have a nose? Do you all hear this guy?
I smell burps.